Good morning. My name is Ana Julia Rondon Garzón, a student of the Ibero-American University Corporation. Sixth semester intern at the School Education Institution on the Harmony of the Circuitos. Cursing in TC practice of media is very difficult for me to communicate with the students because of the pandemic. We have to say each other, be video calls, be technology calls, tools, and the student and in some meeting had connection problems and the encounter with complicated, but we are always good at method of communication and their health learning to read and communication with thanks to many activities that we target. Thank you very much. Bye.